this is Veera Patel. I am the co-author of The Solution Book. Me and my co-author at Harvard Business School decided to do something about the fact that 9 out of 10 startups are failing. This story is not just true in Silicon Valley or outside. This is true even in student innovation projects. We decided to dig up the fact as to why are startups and innovation ventures failing. When we experimented in our own startup from Stanford Medical School in medical publishing, where we were losing customers, we decided to apply this template called a journey map. Journey map was a life-changing experience for me. I saw firsthand how by mapping the customer's daily step-by-step interaction with the product can be an enlightening insight for product design and for marketing. And also for the development team. This saved us time and effort and tons of investment money being wasted. Now, can this wastage in time and money be reverted for other projects as well? Can this wastage of time and money in learning, in creativity, in development of ideas, in identifying the right problem to work on, be enabled by using specific thinking templates? During my journey with MIT Media Lab, where again my colleague and I showcased several templates for opportunity mapping, cost impact analysis, and for customer interviews. Before the product is developed and after. Most people jump into solving a startup or innovation or a patent-worthy problem without researching adequately whether someone else is working on the same problem. Whether it's Airbnb or Uber or Google or Facebook, all of them have faced failures in innovation and ventures. And our book captures specific tools and techniques to get out of the box perspective, to get alternate perspectives on your approach to solving a problem. And we want to impart these skills to university students who have not yet seen the startup landscape, who are dreaming about a startup journey which they will invest their next 5 to 7 years on. We want to enable them with tools for due diligence, for creativity, for team building, for understanding what it is out there to go and convert an idea into a scalable and monetizable product. So in the creativity and problem solving bootcamp, we target students who are ready for the entrepreneurship and startup journey, and we impart them some creativity and problem solving tools which are more so thinking tools. They inculcate a discipline of innovation, not just for a particular project, but innovation as a lifestyle in very simple activities, as small as conducting a meeting, as small as brainstorming an idea. We have a tool called Brainswarming for people who are not comfortable talking a lot, who like to do things rather than exchanging ideas by way of speaking. Speaking should not dominate the emergence and development of a creative idea. So these are the tools and techniques I am offering in the solution book in the form of a boot camp. boot camp is $150 per session, and it can be for multiple audience. It is not restricted to a particular group number. We can have as many audience as possible, and this can be a single session or it can be multiple sessions. The way I have structured the course is the first session in the course is for generating ideas. It can be a standalone course as well. How do you know if the idea you generated is valid? The next session would be in validating the best idea. Of all the ideas you have shortlisted, you go to the next level and you do some devil's advocate thinking and ensure it is really the best idea out there. The stage is nailing the problem. What is the exact problem you're trying to solve? You may have a gazillion ideas. Ideas are dime a dozen, but are you really solving the right problem? And once we take you through this module, the next module is building the right solution, building your prototype. What does it take to build a prototype? It could be your patentable product, or it could be your startup minimum viable product. What does it take? So these are all simple phrases: generating ideas, validating idea, nailing the problem, building the solution. But a lot of paradigms go into it, like design thinking, bottom-up innovation, open innovation. We bring in a lot of concepts like this, but in simple, concise terms, so that students can embrace these ideas and they are ready for a solid startup or innovation journey. Thank you so much, and please let me know if we can talk more about this course in your organization.